I'll have to just say from the get-go, I'm sorry I'm doing another Stitch Fix haul. I can't help myself, but I'm just gonna say the reason I have bought another Stitch Fix is because the last Stitch Fix I did, once I processed my order, I had a notification come up which said, do you want another Stitch Fix free of charge? Obviously pay for the clothes, the stylist fee would be waived. And you had to get the box within a week or two of the previous box. So here we are. I couldn't say no to such an offer. So one thing I have to say is last time I did a Stitch Fix, which was somewhat successful, was I looked at the preview of the items they had proposed to send me. I think they send you an option of 8 things and you say yes or no to any of them. And in the previous box I said yes to 2 of the items, I think, and one of them was no good, but the other one was fine, a lovely dress. This time I looked at the preview again because, like I said, it's sometimes quite beneficial, I found, and the preview was awful. Not one of the items of clothing, none of the clothes were very nice, so I said no to all of them. So I have no idea what I'm getting today. So I am a bit nervous because in the past when I've had completely blind boxes, they haven't been very successful. So fingers crossed we're going to get a good Stitch Fix today. I'm going to get straight into opening the box because that's what we're all here for. I'll leave my referral link to Stitch Fix below as per usual in case you wanted to give it a go. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, everything is in the link below. You can find out what it is. It's essentially a stylist sends you 5 items of clothing and you get to try them on, and if you don't like them you send them back, and if you do like them you keep them and you pay for them. If you do use my referral code you get your first box for free instead of the usual £10 stylist fee. I did say in my preview that I didn't want any shoes because I'm just a bit, I don't think I need any more shoes. So hopefully she's listened. I'm not going to read you the little thingy because I find it can be quite tedious sometimes and I don't half the time understand what they're saying. Right, let's see. Ooh, okay. Okay. Here we go. Look, colours, the first thing I see. Let's see what we've got. So the first thing is a dress. Oh, this is pretty. A dress. Okay, so that looks like it's an off-the-shoulder number. That's very pretty. It's from Mango, so that's cool. It's a nice brand that I've heard of, because sometimes I do wonder if the Stitch Fix own brands are not worth the money. And it's from Sustainable Viscose. I can't, viscose. Okay, so I like this. I like the print of it. We'll see what it's like on. My only issue I have with them very second, at first glance, is it is quite see-through. You won't be able to see this. Happy with the first item, looks pretty. The next thing is, what's this? Oh, another thing from Mango. Oh, I'm not sure about that one. It's like a green linen dress. Again, we'll see. It might look quite nice on Jane dress. So it looks quite big. Like, I'm not sure. It's a bit like, obviously meant to be an oversized style. It's from linen, made with eco-friendly and recycled fabrics. I didn't know that Mango had an ethics behind them, so that's good. So we'll try that on. At first instance, I'm not too sure how I feel. It seems a bit too, I don't know. I don't know what it seems too much of. It just seems something doesn't sit right with me. But we'll try it on, obviously. And a pink thing. What's this? What's this? What is it? Lots of holes. Top, obviously. There we go. Okay, my arms are tired. This is from Market and Spruce. This is a Stitch Fix own brand. Sort of like a halter neck style, I guess. Just around the neck there. Pink. That's pretty enough. Again, not sure how I feel about it. I always find shapes like this kind of make me look a bit wider than I want to look. But we'll try it on and we will see. And then, oh, we have jeans. Oh, they're shorts, thank God. I said I didn't want jeans, so thankfully we have some shorts selected by Fem. Just some plain black shorts. These actually look quite nice. We can't be seen in the camera properly. I don't have any black shorts, so these could be quite cool if they fit me. Please fit me. Oh, again, responsibly crafted. So far, 3 of my 5 items, I've only seen 4 so far, have all come from sort of responsibly sourced materials. That's very good to know. But I do really like these. I like shorts. So yeah, happy with that. And then the last item is another dress, I believe. It's quite heavy material. It's from And-Et. Again, I don't know what brand that is. A long floral black dress. So this actually looks quite nice as well. So, fingers crossed. Let's try them on. Okay, so obviously don't mind the bra straps. I wouldn't wear that with this top, but how do I feel? You know what? I like the shorts. They're nice. I think I would happily keep those. I've got some similar blue shorts to this at the minute, and they're great, so it's nice to have some black ones, a bit different to usual blue. And the pink top, again, it's not my go-to, but actually I think it's quite nice with these especially. I just had a look in the mirror and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I feel like it just does look a bit, you know, just tuck it in obviously. Whoop. And I think it's all right, it's just not, I'm just not sure how I feel about it. I don't know if it just makes you look a bit naked. You know how when things are similar to your skin colour, you have to do a second glance to make sure someone's wearing clothes and not just butt naked. I'm not sure. Ooh, these are a yes. This. Ooh, it's tricky. It's tricky. I need to think about that one. As expected, this is not flattering in the slightest, and this doesn't really, I can't pull it up any more than that unless I've got exceptionally large forearms. I can't pull it up any higher. Obviously there's a button, but and also if I move my arms it does come up quite short, and I'm not sure about this. Not sure at all. I can't really, also one thing about this, I can't really see, even if I did like it, or even if I did think this suited me, I'm just not sure on a situation when I would wear this. Like, it's not really, you know, I just feel like I wouldn't want to sit in the park with this because it'd be blinking boiling hot under your armpits. I wouldn't want to go to work in it because it's too short for moving around at all. Like, I'll be flashing everyone. I can't walk down the street in it because it's too hot. And it's just very, you know? Okay. Well, this is nice. Bit of leg. It's that stretchy material again, which isn't my favourite. I feel like it's sort of like wearing, I want to say cheaper clothes. I just feel a bit cheaper when it's sort of super stretchy. But that's just from experience of other things that have been super stretchy. But actually I think it's quite nice. It's quite like a formal dress. If I had anything to go to, like a wedding, I could wear this. But I don't have any weddings to go to. Thanks, Corona. I think it'd be quite nice though. I think it's quite good for, like, actually, you know what it's be good for? Like a family event, like a barbecue, and you can't wear your super short shorts. You look a little bit respectable. This is like the opposite of the other dress, where you could wear this out with friends in a park, obviously without the bra straps. You could wear this in the park with your friends, but going out to like a family barbecue or something, you might be a bit too revealing because it's a little bit short on the behind. But it's actually a very sweet little dress. It's not as see-through as I thought it was going to be initially. When I held it up, it was quite like a see-through material, but it's actually not that bad. Oh, I like this one. Can I wear it like this too? Yeah. Oh, this dress is probably my one biggest surprise out of the whole box, because when I took it out, I thought it was going to be see-through and a bit sort of crap. And actually, I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks really pretty. What do you think? Okie dokie artichoke. Well, I'm very happy that I decided to choose this box because a couple of the bits are really nice. Let's check out prices. Where is it? Andette Ivor Smocked Shoulder Printed V-neck. That's this one, isn't it? Yes, Andette. This dress is £45, which I think I mentioned this in my previous video. I don't think is that awful. It's expensive, don't get me wrong, for a dress, but I think that on an average price of a dress, it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm very happy with that dress. So I think I'm going to keep that one. This one is £35.99. I can't keep this dress. I just don't understand it. It's too tight on the arms. It's too short to be like a winter autumn dress, but too thick to be a summer dress, and too, you know, long sleeve for a summer dress. So I don't think I'll be keeping this one, which is a shame because I do really like the fact it's linen, it's breathable, but realistically I can't see any time I would need to wear a dress like this. A Letty dress, which I'm probably going to keep because I really like it. I like the colours, I like the floral print, and I think it looks really nice on. I haven't got any dresses that are shoulderless, is that right? Off the shoulder. This dress is £29.99. Like I said, I think the 30 quid for a dress, again, I think it is a little bit more expensive than I would usually pay, but I do really like this dress and I think I'll get quite a lot of wear out of this. Now the sun is finally out. Whoa, they're expensive shorts. 50 quid. £50 for a pair of shorts. Yikes, that is expensive. Right, well, I'm gonna have to keep them because I do really like them, and I sort of have married myself to them. When I first tried them on, I was like, I love these shorts. I didn't even think there'd be that much money though. That is a lot of money for shorts. My gosh, I will. Okay, they're responsibly crafted, so I'll take a pinch of salt with it. But that is far too much money for a pair of shorts. For a pair of jeans, I would say 40 quid would be enough. And this is, you know, not even half a pair of jeans. That's expensive, man. Selected Femme, what are you playing at? 50 quid for a pair of shorts. Yikes almighty. Right, I'm not buying any more clothes this side of summer. And with that being said, this pink top is £32. I don't think I'm going to keep this. It's the sort of thing where it looks nice with the shorts when it's tucked in, but by itself, I just think it's not very flattering on my body shape. I'm not too keen on the colour. I think if it was brighter, it might look nicer, I'm not sure. But because it's pink and I am somewhat pink, I feel like it's just one of those tops where people would have to look at me twice to make sure I wasn't topless. And I'm not too keen on the pattern. That's the pattern there. You can see like pink circles. And I just feel like, and I know this is me being really finicky, I just feel like it's a sort of top that would fray really easily after you wash it. I feel like it could look quite cheap. And for £32, it's not cheap. So I just don't think I will be able to pay £32 for it. I know this is something that has crossed my mind quite a lot with Stitch Fix, and I don't know, tell me what you think about this theory. So if you didn't know, you can match the prices with Stitch Fix. So for example, if I bought this dress from Mango for £29.99, and then I went onto the Mango website and it's on sale for 20 quid or 15 quid or whatever it is, you can tell Stitch Fix that you found it cheaper online, and Stitch Fix will refund you the difference that you had paid. So that's where I don't like that Stitch Fix are creating their own clothes brands to send to me. So for example, I think, if I'm correct, the pink top, Market and Spruce one here, I think this is a Stitch Fix own brand item of clothing. I've googled it and I'm pretty certain that it is from Stitch Fix. So therefore I sort of think, well, hold on, you're putting any old price on it and I have nowhere to sort of like compare. So I think they could be being a little bit cheeky there. And so if I get any boxes in the future, I may start saying I don't want any Stitch Fix own brand type clothing. I thought Stitch Fix were a stylist company, not a shop, if that makes sense. Just so I know I'm getting the best price available, because like I said, they could be bunging any old price on these things. You're none the wiser to whether or not that is a correct price. If I were to buy everything, the total of everything would be £192.98. But if you buy all 5 items, you get a 20% discount, which is £38.60. And then so the total would then be £154.38. The delivery and the stylist fee has been waived this time, like I mentioned at the beginning, so I don't have to pay £10. So £154.38 would be my total, but I'm not going to keep everything. So this is where I need a calculator, because I can't do maths. So if you don't keep everything, you don't get the 20% discount, which is a bummer. But let's see, £124.99. Am I willing to pay that much for 3 items of clothes? It seems I am. Right, I'm going to stop rambling. I am going to probably keep those 3 items of clothes. And like I said, I'm not buying any more clothes this side of summer. I've got enough now. No more. Stitch Fix don't rope me into anything else. So yeah, I'll probably end up spending that much money. Ugh. Like I said, my referral code is in the box below if you wanted to give Stitch Fix a try. One piece of advice I will say is be very specific in what you want to say to the stylist. I didn't say much at first, but recently I've been very specific, saying no shoes, summer clothes only, no office wear, no lounge wear. just make sure you're very clear on what you want. Obviously you want to have a new style, that's the whole point of Stitch Fix, but sometimes they will send you very peculiar items which are just like, no, don't waste my time on this. Although I didn't do it first, I do recommend checking out the preview just so you can get rid of some of the crap that they want to send you, because sometimes there are some awful things in there and you don't want it. Don't waste your energy, don't waste your time. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Don't mind my crazy thumbs. Please do hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. Please join the gang. We're very cool around here. Leave a comment below. What was your favourite item of clothing I received? Am I being mugged off by spending £50 on a pair of shorts? We're not going to think about it too much. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!